In today's video, we will try to see how to configure lag, that is LACP, using a Linux machine. So, these two are physical machines. I have Ubuntu 2 and Ubuntu 3. So, it is 6.2 version. So, now I have physical interface and I am trying to connect. So, if you see ENP3S0F1 and 4S01. So, these are connected back to back to 105 to 106. So, these two interfaces are back to back connected, 3 and 4. So, now we will try to create a LACP and check. So, for that first we need to install LACP. I have already installed. So, this is the command apt-get install libdaemon. If you give yes, it will install. Because I have already installed, it is giving like this. For this you will need modules. For that, this will automatically take care when you give config. I am just showing you what is a kernel module. So here I have used a load balance mode. So load balance module is installed. So other modules we will see in the other videos. For now we will see the load balance module. So the first step is install the teamd and check the team. So initially only team will be there. Only after running the config the others you will get. So for that we need to create a config file. So I have created a config file LACP. So here you will create a device name. So whatever device name you give, this will be a virtual interface it will create. So the name of the runner I am giving LACP and it is active fast mode. So TX hashing I am giving ETH. You can do a hashing, V4 hashing and V6 hashing for the lag can be done. So you can watch it using the ETH tool. You can replace any tool you want, and initially I am putting only one port. So that's how the configuration is. Same configuration I am having in the other side. Okay. So now how to run this is use this command teamd -o -f. F is the config file whatever I have shared. O is for takeover and G you can use for debugging. Without this config file you can directly create. For that you can use -t. So just execute this teamd command and it will be running in the background. I have already executed. See, I am showing you. So I have executed with this. In both sides teamd is running. Okay. So once teamd is running, you have to make the interface down and then add it. Add the other interface. This is already added. So for 4 I have to add again. So you have to make this interface down and then add this. So if you add this, you can see how it is added. CTL and help you can give. Once you create that, it will create a team1 interface. Since the name is team1, if you give team5, team6, it will create. So IP will not be there. I have already configured, so that's why you are getting. I'll just show the commands. Give team1 and give state. So here you can see the state. So here you can see both the interfaces are in the member of the lag. So aggregate ID. This is aggregate ID. The same way you can see in the other node also. So you can see this. So now if you want to see detail of this, give the same command with -v option. So you can see the system ID, MAC ID, parent LACPU info, system priority, key, what is the role, everything you can check. So ETH, all these things. So here how they have implemented is, see this is the partner MAC and this is its own MAC. Actor and partner. Actor MAC and partner MAC you can see. So you can grab and check. So this is actor MAC, partner MAC should be the other side. See, so now we will see what is this interface. It should be ETH1, ETH2 and the team interface. All three will share the same MAC. Sorry. you can see 1B. This has a member. So how to see all the members in the team? So team D, CTL, team 1, port. You have team NL command, netlink command, using which you can see team L with ports. What are all the ports connected? So this is how you can see. Both sides we can check. Okay, so these ports are connected. So now we should make sure that all three interfaces are having the same MAC. Team 1, you can see B01B is actual MAC is removed and it has given the common MAC for all three. The same will be the other side. This 4, 3, and this is team. You can capture, team 1. So you can capture the packet and check. Now what I have done, I have assigned an IP and I am doing a ping. So before that, we'll see in which interfaces we are receiving the LACP packet. So TCP dump -e ENNP -I. Now you can see LACP packet. You can see, right, LACP version 1. And this is slow protocol I have captured. We'll see it. But same packet you will not be receiving it in the team. It won't come. So now I'll send ping from the other side. Here ping to lavender 1. So these packets will come here. So you can see that source MAC, destination MAC through which it is coming. It is the MAC of the LACP. You can see R pipe AN. So it is learning the team D's MAC address. So now we saw how the basic of team D, how to use lag and everything. We have different modes to check. We can also see the configs, modes, everything. I'll just show one. Config dump. You can dump the config whatever you have used. So you can see the overall config whatever it is used, because this is the basic config. On top of that we have added. And then you can see the port also. You have one more command called as team NL. For that you can give the team name and do options. Here you can see what are all the options available. For that you can set. These are the port mapping commands. How it is, what is the mode, like that. You can give any value and get the value and see. For example, here you also have a get option, right? Get option. You can give the option name. So here it is the mode option I'm giving. So you can get what is the mode. You can even set to the different mode. So those things we can see later. So this is the basic configuration, how it works. This side also should be load balance. We'll check it once. CTL team 1, NL team 1 ports. Here now I'm going to remove one of the port and check. We'll see what happens. DCTL team 1 port, remove, and I'll give one port. You can see the ports are removed. So here also the effect is, you can see. Team D, CTL, team 1, state. So here both are there. Here only one interface will be there. See, only one interface. If you want to add back, you can add back. For that, you should make sure that link is down. Make sure the link is down, make it down, and we can add back. Instead of remove, you have to give add. So this will add back. It's busy because it is not. Yes. Now you can see the ports. See, 2 ports are added. So this is how you can verify. Here, ping should work now. So even if I remove the port also, ping should work. So I have captured the packet using TCP dump. We can check that. So for capturing the packet, this is the command I have used. -w and file name. I'll give the exact command. Like this. TCP dump interface -w and packet capture, and I have taken the packet out. Now we can see the packets. So all are LACP packets. You can see the Ethernet interface through which it is received. It's a slow protocol and actor details and the priority, everything. So you can see the MAC. One is 1B, one is 09 ending value and say. So you can just confirm whether it is correct. If config team 11, sorry, team 1. So 1 should be 1B. So this is going from 1B, that is 105, and this is from 107. And confirm that. So this is 107. So this is very simple mechanism. I'll just recap. For installing teamd, you need lib team utils, and then create the config file. I'll show the config file also. I think I have already shown. This is team name, and you just need to change the mode and the port which you want to do, and the name. Only these 3 things. And then start it like this, teamd-o-f. And before adding the member also, the interface should be done down. And if you want to do dynamically addition, that time also you should make the interface down and then add it. And to monitor the ports, you can use this command, team nl team1 ports, like this. This is how you can use. It is very useful command to understand the basic of LACP. And for this, one more I forgot to say, this is, you have to see the kernel module used. So since the mode is load balancer, here you got this. Like this, you can change to different modes and you can check. Thank you.